much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and on this channel we love all things beauty, but let's be honest, if your hair is not done, your outfit is not complete. So in today's video, I'd like to show you how I achieve these jumbo fishtail braids. I think it's a great alternative to your typical bohemian type of look. It's almost a fuse of the bohemian look and the Corey LeRae braids like meshed in. And it gives you this really cute, effortless, like Lisa Bonet type of look without going straight like Lisa Bonet. So I'd like to thank Toyotress for sponsoring today's video. And let's get started. Okay, let's start with the tools and supplies that's needed for this look. I currently have 8 packs of pre-stretch braiding hair in 18 inches, the color number 1. Toyotress also supplied 8 packs of deep wave crochet braiding hair. This is also in the color 1. They also sent a crochet needle, thank goodness, because I couldn't find mine, as well as hair cuff dreadlock jewelry, in addition to some stainless steel hair accessories, and of course, you know I had to get the letter A. Other items used for this look is black rubber bands and jam to help me section my hair. Of course, prepping and moisturizing your hair is important. So first I'm going to start off with misting my hair with water. The only thing in this bottle is water, you guys. I'm going to follow that up with Pureology's leave-in conditioner. I've actually been using this as a moisturizer and I absolutely love it. After I've worked in the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to follow that up with some Kenya Moore growth serum. Once the hair serum is properly worked in this section, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side and then comb and brush it, make sure, you know, it's evenly worked through my strands, and then we are ready to section this hair for this hairstyle. I started sectioning my hair in 2 halves and then turned those 2 halves into subsections. Okay, so I have 14 sections. Now I struggled to section my hair, but it's okay. My little bald spot is growing in. I can finally put it in a ponytail. Y'all see that little spot right there? So I'll be glad when that catches up with the rest of my hair. But anyway, this is what we're working with. Okay, so I've completed my first fishtail braid off camera. I wanted to come on and show you guys how I did it using this front section. So starting with the deep wave crochet hair, first thing I'm going to do is take my crochet needle, slide it underneath my ponytail holder, take the hair, loop it into the crochet needle, close the latch, and pull it through. But I don't want this to be equal parts on each side. I do want the side that's closest to my face to be shorter because I want it to kind of cascade around my face. I want it to hit at a certain point, just like that. Now that we have that in place, I'm going to take my braiding hair and I'm literally going to do the exact same thing. So I'm just going to pull this apart in sections. They're not going to be small sections. They're like medium sections because they still have to fit in the crochet needle. Once I have my pre-stretched hair pulled apart, I'm going to go ahead and do this vertically because I want to make sure the rubber band is covered. So once I have this pre-stretched hair in the crochet loop, I'm going to close the latch and pull it through. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with the deep wave hair. One side is going to be longer than the other, but as you can see, looping it over like that is going to help you get that knotless look. After that, I'm going to do a horizontal crochet with the braiding hair. As you can see, I'm just checking the hair out, making sure it's as thick as I like and making sure all bases of this rubber band is covered. So I am going to go back in a diagonal section and crochet some more hair in until the entire rubber band is covered. So that's all I want to add to this section, and I'm going to go in with some jam, and that's just to make sure my hair is as smooth as possible as I'm doing this fishtail braid. Okay, on to this fishtail braid itself. You want to make sure your hair is divided into 2 equal parts. Once your hair is in 2 equal parts, you're going to start on one side, pull some hair from the back of that section or the side of that section and pull it over to the other side and repeat. Take the hair from behind or the side of one section and pull it over to the other section and repeat. Once you've reached a section where the deep wave hair can poke out, you can then go ahead and pull that piece out and continue with your fishtail braid. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but this does add to the bohemian flair. Once you've reached the section of the hair that starts to lose its density, because remember this is pre-stretched hair, so it does taper. At this point, you can go ahead and add another piece of your deep wave hair, and that's going to make sure the bottom of your hair is curly and wavy. So I know it was hard to see. So with this deep wave hair, basically what I did was I put it in the back of the braid and then took one side along with some regular braiding hair and looped it to the other side. And then I did the same on the other side. This is to feed it in and lock it into place. Once I've come to about the end of the braiding hair, I'll then use my rubber band and put it on the end of this braid to hold it together. After that, I'm just going to lightly and gently pull the braid apart because I don't want it to be tight and stiff. I want it to be lightweight and somewhat fluffy. Okay, so this is how she's looking. I'm going to do this all over my head and then I will be back. The only thing left to do is to add my hair jewelry. So we have a tree, the letter A, as well as a leaf. I received this really colorful batch of like hair jewelry cuffs. I'm not that colorful when it comes down to putting, you know, accessories in my hair. I don't like a bunch of color. I feel like you know, it can become very juvenile. But I am going to use this goldish cuff, and I'm going to put it here. I absolutely love it. It took me 5 hours to complete this. The hair was so easy to work with. So I didn't cut any of the hair. So like below, I didn't cut it at all. I just let it kind of do its thing. I love it. If you guys try this style, tag me on Instagram. I want to see your fishtails. Let's go. I think this is the cutest fall style. This is a great alternative to your typical jumbo box braids or your typical jumbo knotless braids. This is just a little spin on it, and I'm loving it. All right, you guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Definitely, if you're looking for some braiding hair to be delivered to your door hassle-free, definitely go check out Toyotress. I will leave all of the information and the links in the description box down below. And until the next time, be loved.
There's issues at hand and we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.